Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do this super easy melt with glue, of course. Today we'll be working with WestKiss hair. WestKiss went ahead and sent me this gorgeous straight unit. Oh my god, the luster, the shine, the body, the volume, the fullness, the ends. This hair is absolutely everything, and I did not have to cut the ends. I did not have to do anything extra or anything crazy. I didn't even dye this hair jet black, and it's really giving jet black. I am so here for this gorgeous unit. But in today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to do this glueless melt. This wig is actually their 13x6 HD lace frontal wig unit in 24 inches. The texture straight, of course, and in 200 density. The links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. And off rip, I automatically am in love with this hair. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, and it's just chef's kiss. So enough of this rambling, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I'm at the rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation. These kind of these days deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take life, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, and see my son born with these same eyes. To see my son smile bright in every gray sky. He's growing so fast, that's why every day I give it 100, not 190. Praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty.
See, I don't wanna talk about the things we go make me frown tonight. See, I just wanna hold on to my gun, everybody bitch, you cool me down. See, I just wanna hold on to my gun, everybody bitch, you cool me down.
Around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. I'm at the rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed.
Feeling blessed, see you tonight, you're my baby.
Everyone, so this is the finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from WestKiss hair. They went ahead and sent me this 200 density 24-inch 13x6 HD lace frontal wig unit in straight, and as you guys can see, the part is really nice and deep. I'm living for the straight hair. WestKiss always knows how to come through with good quality hair, and as you guys can see, shine galore. I'm living for the luster. Like, this is absolutely insane to see. But honestly, 10 out of 10. This wig came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. All I had to do was cut the lace off and just put the wig on. As you guys can see, I did use glue. I used some bowl hole glue, and this melt is like no other. I'm absolutely in love. Look at this. It was so easy to do the baby hair, so easy to just lay this lace down, and then the kicker is you want to use the WestKiss band to just tie that hair down while you straighten, so it can melt all the lace in, and it just looks absolutely stunning. So thank you so much to WestKiss for sending me this gorgeous wig, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know in the description box below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.